Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel Sassy on Nail, and this is Jhalak. So today what we are going to do is we are going to add some glands to our boots. And boots are generally ordinary and they go with a plain and a classy look, but today I'm going to try something new with them so that it could give me a new vibe and they could look really nice. I think it is good to do such kind of things because it gives a really different vibe. Nobody has that thing and you're making it and it's looking so classy. So let's do it together.
So for this we require Fevicrylic molded. It is of 25 rupees and it's easily available on stationaries and you can buy it online. You'll get 2 packets inside it. Take equal amount of clay from both the packets, apply little water and mix them together. If it feels sticky, then apply more water and mix it until it turns white. Then place it on the boot heels and spread it neatly. Apply little water, it will help you in spreading the clay properly and will give a smooth texture. Do not make the layer of clay too thick or thin. As you can see it should be of this much thickness, and make sure to define the edges of your heels. So for getting different shapes of mirror, I have taken a big mirror and hit it with the edge of hammer, and then I got these different shapes of mirror. And yes, it's a humble request to be careful while doing this. After that, take the mirror tiles and then place them on the clay randomly and press them a bit. Define the clay around the mirror, otherwise it's gonna look shabby. I have done this mistake. See, this is the one which we are doing right now, and this is the previous one. In this one I haven't defined the clay around the mirror. As you can see it's not at all perfect. That's why it's important to do it neatly. Now I'll have to apply more clay in these portions. And yes, it took me 1.5 packet of this clay to cover both of my heels. I'll provide you the link of the materials that I have used in the description box, so you can go and check the details there. Now as we'll move towards the curvy surface of a heel, we are not going to use big mirrors over here, as its sharpy edges can hurt you or someone else because they won't be covered by the clay. That's why I'm gonna use small mirror pieces over here. And yes, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I think this mirror work will give a highly stylish look with black boots. So try it on and let me know your views in the comment section down below. And be careful while covering the edges of mirror. Okay, so there I have covered my heel portion. Now I'll take a waste cotton cloth and dip it into water. Then I'll clean the mirror tiles, otherwise the clay will set on the mirrors and they won't look clean and good. So clean the tiles properly and do not miss out any small piece of clay over the mirror. Once you have done till here, your boot heels gonna look like this. Now leave the heels so that the clay can dry. It will take approximately 2 hours to completely dry. Once the clay dries up, then we'll move towards the coloring portion of our clay. So here I am taking 2 paints to get my desired color. The paints that I have used is brown and black. I am using acrylic paint and it's not waterproof. You can apply waterproof paint if you want, or you can either use a nail paint to do that. So I have done with my coloring part and the heels of my boot looks like this. And yay, here's the look. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.